Hi everyone, this is your math guru. Today we're going to learn how to round numbers to a certain number of significant figures. Please don't forget to click on the like and subscribe button below for more easy to understand math concept. In the first example, we have round the following numbers to three significant figures. We know that numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4, we round them down by adding 0, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, we round them up by adding 1. In the first example, we have 4,281 rounded to three significant figures. To start with, I'm going to label each position because 4 is my first non-zero digit. That's my first significant figure. I have 2 as my second, 8 as my third, and 1 as my fourth. I'm rounding up to 3SF, so I'm going to underline my 8, which is my third. The decider is the number immediately after, which in this case is 1. 1 falls in the round down group, so I'm adding 0. So 4,281 rounded to three significant figures will give me 4,208 plus 0, that's 8. Every other number after becomes 0. In the second example, I have 0,01268. Like I said, if you want to start counting your significant figures, you start from the first non-zero number, which in this case is 1. The second is 2, the third is 6, and the fourth is 8. The first two zero digits do not count. So because I'm rounding up to 3SF, I'm going to underline my 6, which is my third significant figure. My decider is the number immediately after. In this case, that's 8. 8 falls in the round-up group, so I'm going to be adding 1 to my 6. So 0,01268 rounded to three significant figures will give me 0,0126 plus 1, that's 7. Every other number becomes 0. In the second example, I have round the following numbers to two significant figures. Like I did earlier, I'm going to tag each number. This is my first, this is my second, third, and fourth. I'm stopping at 2 because I'm to round up to two significant figures. My decider is the number immediately after, which is 2. 2 falls in the lower group, so I'm going to be rounding down by adding 0. So 2,328 rounded to two significant figures will give me 2, 3 plus 0, that's 3. Every other number after becomes 0. In the second example, I have 46,14. I'm rounding to two significant figures. Starting with the first non-zero, I have 4 as my first, 6 as my second. I'm rounding to 2, so I'm underlining that. My decider is the number immediately after. This falls in the round down group, so I'm adding 0. So that will give me 46. 6 plus 0 is 6, comma, every other number after becomes 0. And the last example, I have 0,678. I'm not going to start at 0. I'm going to start at 6. So 6 is my first, 7 is my second, and 8 is my third. So because I'm rounding to two significant figures, I'm going to underline my 7. The decider is the number immediately after, which is my 8. That falls in the round-up group. That means I'm going to be adding 1 to my 7. So 0,678 rounded to two significant figures will give me 0,67 plus 1, 8. Every other number after becomes 0. Thanks for watching. Bye.